Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basic prerequisites, paired devices, and current software. Once done, open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap My Watch. You must select an editable watch face now. Do not waste time switching to random faces. Tap the face, then choose Edit. This first actionable step brings up complications and options. Complications are where the digital clock lives, so focus on layers or complication slots to prepare for the next step. Now you perform the central action. Add the digital time complication. You'll swipe to the complications pane, then tap a slot compatible with a numeric time display. Make sure to select the built-in digital clock or time entry. Third-party faces may not offer true digital time. Once selected, adjust size and placement so digits are legible at a glance. You're editing appearance and function together. Make sure it's enabled. Then tap Done or Set to apply before moving to the watch. Finish by syncing and verifying the change on your Apple Watch. You'll wait a few seconds as the Watch app sends the new face, then raise the watch and press the screen to select the updated face. Make sure the digital digits display as expected and the time zone is correct. If it fails, restart the watch and iPhone, reapply the digital complication, and remove any third-party face that overrides system time. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most sync or visibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.